Okay, we have two E cameras. The one on the left is the first E camera, and this is the, let's say, the third one, E 4K Plus. And let's compare the size of these two cameras. So if we put them side by side, then we can say that the body is 99% identical, maybe a little bit taller, the E 4K Plus. Okay, but the lens down here is definitely larger on this one, so it is thicker. Okay, and that's the thickness. Let's compare the height. The height is roughly the same. Okay, but the problem is with the width. So if we compare it somehow like this, the E4K Plus is wider, and that creates a problem if you have this quadcopter, which is the Cinema CG035, which has a GoPro style camera holder like this one. And then the older E fits in perfectly. Maybe it's a bit even loose, but you can close it like so. And here's the problem. The E4K Plus will not fit in. So I don't know, maybe you should heat up this one, the white plastic, and widen it. So it's good for the smaller one, but it's not good for the larger one. And another thing, here's the button. I just added a little bit of hot glue so that I can press on it. But if we place the camera in front, notice the button, especially the pressable area, not the left one but the right side, is too far away. So you can't really use this camera in this holder. You should press somewhere here, and you can't press there. Okay, and the solution to this problem is to remove this screw, and we don't need the lower part of this camera holder, that one, that's not needed, but instead we should use the waterproof case of the E4K Plus camera. Let's remove these and put that one there, vice versa, something like that. Let's see the original one or the E, which one is okay. No, the E is way too short, or maybe not. So even the E screw is okay. And of course you can insert the camera here. And you can attach it to the quad like so. It's a bit heavy, and you can reverse the video from inside the camera, and you can fly with your Cinema using the E4K Plus. It's a bit heavy.